Hi guys, today I going to teach you how to do double charge like this way. You know this is a very cool way. Everyone know how to do the single charge, but how to do double charge I showing you in this video. Full tutorial I give in this video. Watch this full video. Okay guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to a ninja pen spinner. I am not a pro pen spinner. I am a ninja pen spinner. Okay guys, so okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, first of all you have to keep your position like this. Okay guys, you have to keep your position like this, means you have to catch like this your pen. Okay guys, after this you have to pass to your this finger like this. Okay guys, you can see like this you have to pass and you pass it. Okay guys, after passing it, remove to your this finger. Okay guys, and remove, you can see it. Okay, now again pass it to that finger and look, now you can do it like this. But guys, this is very hard also guys. I teach you how, because when you start doing it, it will like be, look guys, when you start you catch your pen like this. This is your position. Okay guys, position, then you pass to another finger, then you pass to another finger. You do this way for first time, you losing your control of your hands. You can't control the hands, and your slowly your hand become also slowly guys. Okay, means first time. Okay guys, oh it fall down, let it be. But you do in first time, you do like this. Okay, and wrong way. That way practice it day and night. Position like this, then like this, then like this, and spin it. Okay guys, this is a tutorial video. I make first tutorial video. I practicing guys that how to make video of means how to make knives video. Okay guys, so don't mind that this video is not good. If this video is good, then like. If this video is not good, then also like. Okay guys, okay, I teach you how to do. Position is like this, then pass to your this finger, then afterwards pass to your again that finger and replace it. Okay, and do it fast, how much you can do it. Okay guys, it is a very cool way guys. Double charge is easy also. In 2 or 1 month you can easily know that how to do double charge. Okay guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye, we meet in next video. Yeah. Oh.